Hi, and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today we're making grilled chicken. This is a really delicious, simple, and quick recipe. Grilling is a really healthy way to give chicken a great flavor. In our home, we eat it every week. For this recipe, we'll use some sliced chicken breasts. You can buy whole chicken breasts if you prefer, but I find the thinner the slice, the more flavorful it will be. Let's remove any excess fat and cut them into evenly sized pieces. Then rinse the chicken in cold water and pat it dry. Now we're ready to flavor the chicken. Start by squeezing some fresh lemon juice onto the chicken. A few drops per slice are enough. Next, add some freshly ground pepper, rosemary, and thyme. As always, you can find all the ingredients listed in the description box below. After coating all the slices with the spices, let's add a dash of olive oil. We don't want the chicken to fry on the grill, so only add enough oil to coat the chicken and to seal in the moisture. Now let the flavors absorb into the chicken for half an hour. If you live in a hot country, you may wish to put your chicken in the fridge at this point. However, one of the secrets to a juicy chicken breast is to cook it from room temperature. So I leave my chicken outside the fridge during this half hour. Today we'll be using a grill pan. Using a grill pan rather than a charcoal grill is a real time saver because you don't have to heat up the coals. Plus, it is much more environmentally friendly. Before putting the chicken on the grill, heat up your grill pan on maximum heat. Only then add the chicken. This is important so that the chicken doesn't dry out whilst cooking. I cook everything on my grill pan. For example, vegetables to go with the chicken and even steak. If you don't have a grill pan, I really recommend getting one. I have left a link to my grill pan in the description box below. If you do have a grill pan, let me know in the comments below what you like to cook on it. Let the chicken cook for about 3 minutes. When you can see the edges going white, like this, it is ready to be flipped. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and then remove from the grill. Be careful not to overcook your chicken, otherwise it can become very dry. After taking the chicken off the grill, let it rest for a minute before serving so that it can reabsorb all its juices. I like to serve the chicken with grilled vegetables. I made these on my grill pan just before making the chicken. I doubt you'll have any leftover chicken, but if you do, you can cut it into strips and serve it cold with a salad the next day. It's delicious. And now, take a look at how perfectly cooked and juicy this grilled chicken is. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. And as always, thanks for watching!